How Amazon uses data science? Check here. Product recommendations. If you are one of those who buy products from Amazon frequently, then open your and your friend's Amazon account. Both of you will see different product recommendations. Amazon uses your buying history, search history, time spent searching for a product, and many other factors to provide personalized product recommendations to their customers. It helps improve the user experience as the customers see most of the products they are interested in from the moment they open the website or the application of Amazon. User based advertising. Amazon has a very high user base. There are more than 300 active users of Amazon. With such a user base, Amazon offers businesses to run ads for their product and services, and the use of data science here is to advertise according to the user's interest. Amazon uses your data to identify your interest and show ads about the product and services based on your interest. It helps businesses reach their target customers and helps Amazon to generate revenue from its user base. Faster shipping process. Today, Amazon delivers orders within a day, same day, and even within hours in some cases. It has only been possible by analyzing the buying habits of customers. Amazon identifies the buying habits of each customer. It helps identify the location with the most frequent buyers and employ more delivery partners in such areas. Having more delivery partners in the areas with the most frequent orders helps Amazon to make the shipping process faster. Kickstart your data science career with IIT-M certification. Explore our data science program.